Hey, Bola. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are hearing me. I decided to read some books this week as a back to school reading program for week one. Okay, so greeting everybody listening in from Fiji and from around the world. Okay. Um, I know that reading is something that we are encouraged to do, yeah, for our little ones. I know some of you may be catching the bus, going to school. Some of you may be walking to school, and you might watch this live later on. Um, Whatever that you are planning to do this week, I wish you all the very best, especially for our little ones who are going into school for the very first time. Yeah, I'm sure they are excited. Some may be nervous. Some may be holding the hand of their mom or their bumbu or their thai. Um, if you're one of those, remember, one day you will let go of mom's hand or Thai's hand or Bumbu's hand. Yeah, so school is something that you should be excited about because you're going to be learning lots of things. Yeah, so if you're learning from home, you will continue to learn at school. Okay, so I know how it feels. Yeah, when you go to school for the very first time, you will be scared, excited, and all of those feelings combined as one. Yeah. But just remember, learning is an adventure. Okay. Your mind will open up to lots of things that are there around you. Yeah, near your school, near your home, in your own community, wherever you live, there's so many things you can learn about. Yeah. Okay, even catching the bus, learning about buses. If you're walking, you'll be looking at some flowers along the way. You might see some birds, you can see some dogs, you can see some cats, yeah, and lots of things you will see as you go to school. Okay, and then you're going to be inside your classroom learning as well with your teacher. Okay, so today, I have a book called I Am Confident. I Am Confident. So I will read this book for all of us. This will be a good reminder. Okay, if you're scared, remember you are confident. It's a big word, but today we're going to be learning what this word really means. Okay, so I'm going to read it for us, and I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so this is the page. This is a picture of you sitting in the classroom. Yeah, especially for our little ones. Okay, and the first page reads, when I raise my hand and the teacher calls on me, so raise your hand. Naka. Okay, I'm going to read it one more time. When I raise my hand and the teacher call on me, what happens? Right. Okay, and the answer is here. Okay, I show courage. Okay, I'm the best that I can be. See, that is amazing. If you put your hand up, okay, that means courage. You are brave because not everyone can just easily put their hand up. But if you do, remember, Yeah, that you are brave. Brave is another word for courage. Okay? All right, so let's see what happens next. So remember, when the teacher asks a question in the classroom and you know the answer, put your hand up. Don't be scared. Okay? Put your hand up. Even sometimes you think, I wonder if my answer is right. If you're not sure, just put your hand up. Okay? Just put your hand up. All right. Next one says, you can do it. You can do it. Okay, so if you're nervous today, scared of going to class, scared of meeting some new people in your classroom, because you will be going to maybe a different class, or if you're going to school for the very first time, you have no idea who your other classmates are. But remember, you can do it. Okay, you can see all your friends here jumping up and down. Okay, right, so let's see. When we are on the sidelines and we cheer our teammates on, that's how we show our, okay, we're going to open up the page because it opens up like this. Yeah, that's how we show, what does it read? Spirit and make each other strong. Yeah, so that's the kind of spirit that you show. Okay, you're calling out and supporting one another, and there is a spirit that make each other strong. Okay, so it's very important that you support your classmates and your friends at school. Okay, wonderful. This is a good book. Yeah, it talks about confidence. Okay, everybody say the word confidence. Okay, it's a big word, but today when we finish reading this book, we'll be like, what does that word mean? Okay, the third one. Okay, what is what is your favorite thing that you proud of about yourself? Okay, can you see the book here? My favorite thing about yourself. Or you ask yourself, my favorite thing about myself. Okay, can you see? Is it your smile? Okay. Am I a good friend? Okay. Some questions we can all ask ourselves. Okay. My favorite thing about myself is my smile, and I am a good friend. Okay. And it reads at the bottom, sometimes we need to focus on our own qualities. That's when we build ourselves up. Okay. All right. And then this is when the other page comes out and it says, and work on self-esteem. Okay, that's another big word, but it's something that we are encouraged to look at ourselves. Okay, so when you were at school this week, something to think about. What is my favorite thing? Yeah, and then you answer the question. My favorite thing about myself, maybe it's my smile. Maybe I'm a good friend. Maybe I tell good jokes. Maybe I'm funny. All these things you can say, and then at the end it says, and work on self-esteem. Okay, so some of our friends may not, how can I say, maybe they have a different type of smile, maybe they are sad at home, maybe they've gone through some hard times. Maybe it's very important that you look out for them too. You can go and sit next to them in the classroom and say, are you okay? Yeah. And you can share. If you have extra food, you can share it with your friends as well. Okay. Let's look at the next one. This is a really, really cool book. Yeah, you like the color? All right. So this is the last page. Remember, this reading is just a short one. And then it says, we bring joy to one another. It's very important when you go to school. We have to be happy. We bring joy to one another when we paint happy scenes. When we look on the bright side, if you like painting, make sure you paint some really happy faces. Okay? When we look on the bright side, what's that word there? We practice positivity. We practice positivity. Yeah, so positivity means you're going to be looking at all the good and fun stuff. Yeah, all the good things that you see around you. And that will make you enjoy your day. All right. And then after you do all of those things, and then this is what you say: I am confident. Say it one more time. I am confident. One more time. I am confident. Okay? So confident means that you are brave, right? That you can put your hand up in class. Okay? That you are aware that you have a beautiful smile, and you're aware that you can give some funny jokes to your classmates. Yeah. And you're also good in sharing. And you also celebrate with your classmates by saying, you can do it. You can do it. Okay? So there you go, children. Thank you so much for listening to me this morning. And I wish everybody a fun day at school. It's the first day of school for our children in Fiji. So for those of you going to kindergarten for the very first time, Bula. For those of you going to year one, Bula. And for those of you who are moving on to another new class, you will have a new teacher. You might have new classmates as well at school. I say Bula. And for those who are in the secondary schools, I wish you all the very best for your new day at school. Also, those who are in boarding schools, I greet you as well with a big Bula. And tomorrow, I will have another book to read, another one in addition to this. I am confident. Okay? So, thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today. Keep smiling and be happy. Vinaka, Mothe. Okay. All right. Vinaka Bakalev, everyone. Wishing you all the very best in your work today. Mothe. See you tomorrow.